back to my channel. It's Shakira LaShawn here, and today we are recreating my very first makeup tutorial on YouTube, and seeing these photos appear in my memories on Facebook was cringeworthy. I did cringe, definitely cringed, and yeah, I just want to thank God for all this talent that I've acquired over the past 4 years, because this is nothing compared to what that was. Thank you, God, for this quality. Thank you for the camera. Thank you for the upgraded laptop. All this, my vanity. Like, I recorded my first makeup tutorial on my MacBook Pro, a 2012 MacBook Pro, with no lighting. Like, this isn't this. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. But if you want to see how we recreated the picture that you saw, then just keep on watching. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the same way I did the first video as a talk through, I'm going to do this one the same. Yeah. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I love this stuff. I have hair on my finger. Just going to rub this into my skin. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade Coconut 355. This is my summer shade. Usually I'm 338, which is spicy brown. I'm just going to put this right on my skin. We're already starting off 10 times better with this foundation shade match. I'm taking the Real Techniques 202 Instapot face brush. This is the best thing ever invented, I swear. This just works wonders. I also have the smaller one that I use for concealer, and wow, it's just beautiful. And this is LA Girl HD Pro Conceal in Fawn. And next, I'm going to just sweep over my perimeter of my face and my contour sections with this, I got a track slipping, whoa, with this Black Opal True Color foundation. I'm not sure what the shade is because it's off. But yeah, I'm not going to make a line. I'm just going to like swipe over where I want the product to be placed. And I'm not really contouring, I'm just warming up my face. I'm not really contouring in the summer because I want the bronzy, I want to stay bronzy. This is the darkest I'll ever be in my life in August. So I just gotta get it how I live it, you know what I'm saying? But now I'm gonna use the same foundation brush that I use. And just pat it into place. And would you look at that? Like, just look. Seamless. Okay, now I'm going to highlight a little bit in the center of my face. And to blend this out, I'm going to use the smaller Instapot brush. This is the Instapot cheek brush. I don't use it for cheeks. I use it for my concealer. I'm just going to blend all of that together using the larger version of the Instapot brush. Just want to dab right on top of where everything touches. And I love that this doesn't seem to like redistribute product, but just like blend it together. That's what I really love about this brush. Alright, now I'm going to add powder. I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, I think it's called. And I'm just going to set basically my whole face with this powder. And really press it into my skin instead of sitting it on top, because that's what leaves the white cast. Is when you don't press it in, and when you bake without pressing it in, like I could still bake and then go to dust this off, but I would still need to press it into the skin so it's actually like doing what it's supposed to do. Now I kind of skipped over where my contour is because I don't want to lose any of the dimension that I added to my face already. Now for brows, I'm going to use that e.l.f. brow pencil in neutral brown. Alright, so next I'm going to get right into the eyes. So the first color I'm going to take is this color. This color Cork is the first color I'm going to take. And just remembering that this is a very cool toned eyeshadow look, and I'm not a cool toned eyeshadow person. What was I thinking? Okay, so still working Cork into my crease. Work this middle dark shade Aromatic right here into the crease, just right here. Using the same brush. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm using the Morphe M518 brush. And I'm just gonna put this right in my crease. I think I got too much on my brush. And just blend it out. That's a little smoky. Okay. I'll do the same thing on this side. Place it in my crease. Sweep out the edges. Taking Creative Copper. Creative Copper. It's this color right here in the middle. And grab a brush for this. One moment, please. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Cork and deepen my outer eyelid, the outer V, and kind of blend it into this color. 1,000 times better already. Now I'm just going to spray my face real quick and put some glue on my lashes and be right back. I'm going to do my lower lash line using the same 2 colors that I use in my crease, which are the only 2 colors that we have to work with anyway. So I'm actually going to place some powder under my eye. I'm going to first line. I'm going to line my lash line with this Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner and Simmer Brown now. Simmer Brown now. And I'm just going to put that in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to start off with the darkest color, which is Aromatic. And I think, no, I am going to add Quirk. I wasn't going to, but I think I'm going to do it. Just to smoke it out a little bit more. I'm going to add some of this Aromatic to right where my liner is, just to deepen it up a little bit. And connect it over. And I'm going to go right back over that this gold shade. Alright, now I'm going to set my whole face with Black Radiance Pressed Powder, I believe. Oh, Golden Almond is what I'm going to use to set my whole face. And now to go back over my contour, I'm using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Cafe. I'm going to add a little bit of a contour to my nose. Alright, for my blush, I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. I'm going to use this darkest color right here. Alright, I'm gonna go over my go over that with my contour color just to simmer it down. I'm not a heavy blush person, but I do like that added like oomph to the look. For highlight, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. And I'm going to take Tourmaline, which is a cool toned color. I use way too much. Would that be me if I didn't? I'm gonna go over that with my powder brush and blend this all. I have no idea where my camera stopped recording at, but this is the finished look. Okay, get into it. So yeah, I'm talent. Hello. Progress. Hello. Like, this is completely different from my first video. Like, completely different. And I use the same things on my eyes, basically. I did. This is just like amazing how much you can grow in 4 years. Like, wow. So here's the 4 more years of growth, baby. We're gonna see what it's hitting for 4 more years. 2023. Jesus Christ, that's so long. It's not that far away. I'll be 27 by then, so what? But yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, or rather this entertaining video. I don't know what you want, whatever it was to you. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. You can follow me on all social media platforms at Shakira LaShawn. And yeah, stay lit, stay beautiful. Thank you for watching.